guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Spooktacular mystery box from Cricut. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I got a mystery box from Cricut's website directly. I'm new to this Cricut game. I do have a Cricut maker and I have the press and I have a lot of other things. So I want to start doing more Cricut videos, but I was on their website ordering some vinyl because they had a really good sale that I could not pass up. And in doing so, I saw they had a mystery box. I'm like, what? I never knew that Cricut had mystery boxes on their site. So now I'm definitely going to keep a lookout for them. I don't know if you do know. I don't know if it's like a seasonal thing or they just pop up every so often. So if anybody else knows out there, comment down below. Let me know because I would like to know when to kind of look out for them or to be cautious of when they might be there. So anyway, this right here is the Spooktacular Mystery Box. I looked this morning, it is still available. It's $39.99 and it has a retail value of $108.42. So without further ado, let's get on in here. It does say product description, October 2019 mystery box. So let's see. I am absolutely loving my Cricut maker, and the thing, it's like you have endless possibilities of anything that you can make. I love my Cricut. So I do want to start doing more Cricut videos and tutorials. So if there's anything that you guys do want to see in the future coming up soon, let me know and I will try to make it happen. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of vinyls. And I'm going to be honest, when it's a Spooktacular mystery box and it had a skull on the box for the picture, I thought this was all going to be like a Halloween theme. There's no Halloween theme about it. So I'm even more excited now because this is everything that I'm going to be able to use. And I'm actually really excited. So let's go ahead and dive in here and let's see what we have. So first thing up here, oh, and this has different colors. So this one has the different, I'll just open it to show you guys the difference between them so we can see what they look like. Now, this is Cricut Pattern Iron-On. So one thing that I have been doing, I have my vinyl rolls organized, but before I organize them or my backstock, I take these and I just roll them up and I just tuck them right back in the bottom. So when I'm like, and I tuck them in the bottom. This side has the thing to hang. So I wouldn't go in with that. But I stick them in the bottom because if I'm ever like, oh, what is this? I know if it's an iron-on, if it's a permanent, if it's a semi-permanent, if it's outdoor, if it's whatever, I'll know because it's inside here. So that's what I do with mine. Again, that's just my own little personal tip that I do. Now, one example on here, it shows like you can decorate, since it's an iron-on, you can decorate a pocket, you can decorate a bag, you can decorate like as a pot holder for that. Like you can use these for anything. And there are the 3 different colors. These are so pretty. So here's the first color or pattern. Here's the second pattern. Sorry, my light, you guys. And then here's the third pattern. So you can use these for anything. And I love, blues are my favorite colors. So I'm totally loving these colors already. Okay, so the next one in here is an iron-on as well. This is the foil iron-on. And this one has, ooh, I have the silver, but I don't have these other colors in here. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And these rolls are generally anywhere from like $10 to $16. Most of the time when they have multiple ones in here, they're more expensive than just the single color by itself. So for this being $39, that's basically like paying for maybe 4 of them and everything else is for free. So inside here, we have silver, green, pink, and purple. Okay, so we have the silver, we have this green, like a light green, like a lime green. There's this pink, like a pearlish pink, and then here's like a lavender. That's actually like a lavender. So there's all 4 different colors with this one. Okay, so next we have is a removable matte premium vinyl. This one you have 6 sheets, and ooh, these colors are pretty. So it looks like there's 3 patterns and you get 2 pages each, or 2 sheets each. Ooh, okay. Look how pretty that pattern is. It's like it has flowers and more flowers, and it's like a lavender pink color in the background. So there's 2 sheets of that one. Ooh, look at this one, all black and white with those flowers on it. And then you have 2 of this purple. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It's like a purple and lavender. That is really pretty. So this set has those 3 different colors, and there's 2 of them each. Normally this was like the one that would be closer to the $16, $17 range. So that is awesome to have this in here. And I'm so glad that these are colors that I want to use. That's more surprising to me. Okay, so this is a pattern iron on, and it is 3 sheets, and there's 3 different ones in this one. See, I love that because you're not just getting one roll of one pattern. They're giving you the ones that have several patterns. So even if you wanted to start out and just get some really cool vinyls, this set's a good set to get. This one is an iron on. And then here's the first pattern. There's the second pattern. That's really pretty. It looks like lace. And then here is the third pattern. So that one looks like a very faint, like a fine little lavender color in there. So that is so cool. Now this one is premium vinyl removable matte. This is so pretty. So again, this is just a removable matte. Look how pretty. And there's 2 of that one. There's 2 of each pattern, and there's 3 different patterns. Ooh. Look at that one. And then that has 2 as well. And then the last pattern. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. And you guys, I don't have anything like this. The only one that I have so far is that one silver, but I didn't have the other colors that were behind it. So I love this set. This is totally worth the $39, you guys. Then this one here this is removable matte, and this is cream. So there's only one in this one, and it's just the cream color. So I don't need to open this one to show you. It's all just this cream color, like a beige. It's an off-white color. And this is a premium vinyl removable. Then the last one, now I do have this purple, and I might have the blue and the green, but I bought them all separately, which is okay because I love this glitter. This is the glitter iron on, and let me show you what there's 3 different ones in here, 3 sheets, 3 different colors. And I love using the glitters. Okay, so here is the purple glitter. It's all purple. Again, this is the iron on. Then we have the blue, which is a very, very pretty blue. Same, all just the glitter, iron on. And then there's this green. This is more of like an emerald green. I don't know, that's a really pretty green though. So those are the 3 different colors you get with the glitter iron on. So the last things that are in this mystery box, you guys, are going to be these 2 items right here. This is the first one. This is Deluxe Paper. This is all Marvel. And I mean, I probably won't use this, but let me show you what's in here. Okay, so since it all just came right out, here's the first page and it has all the little marbles in there. And then the back side is just like that. And it looks like there's 2 different pages of that one. Then here's the second one. And is there 2? Yes, there's 2 of that. And then here's the back. Then we have 2 more of this style. And then here's the back. And we have 2 of this. And here's the back. Then there's 2 of this one. And then here's the back. Then the last set of 2 is this. And then there's the back. So, I mean, this is probably the only thing that I won't probably use, or I'm gonna need to really find a use for it. Or maybe I can always just give it to my boyfriend's nephew and maybe he can just use it as coloring paper, because I don't know what I'll do with these, but these vinyls are what I'm all excited about, and that is good enough. Like, I didn't even need this in this box. So then the last item is this right here. And this is a strong grip mat, a 6x12, and my maker doesn't use a 6x12. I think the older style uses these small ones, so I don't know. Maybe they're just trying to get rid of these because they're not popular anymore. I'm not quite sure. But this one I won't be using because this one's too small. I mean, my maker doesn't use the small one. They uses the bigger one. So maybe I could always just use it if I need to. I don't know. I don't know what I would use this one for, but I have a small one in case I need to prep something. I don't know. So that is everything that came in this Spooktacular mystery box. Again, these are the only 2 items that I will not be using. But again, these vinyls are well worth the $40. So I got the glitter iron-on. We have the premium removable we have the premium removable vinyl. The removable vinyl, that is the beige. We have the premium removable mat with those gorgeous colors. We have the iron-on with the 4 different shiny foil iron-ons. We have the pattern iron-on, which is those lighter colors. And even like if you were to make like a makeup bag or a pencil pouch, put it on clothing, like the possibilities are endless. And then the last one is the pattern iron-on, which are these blues that I love. So that is everything that came in this mystery box. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think about it? Do you have a Cricut? Are you on the fence of getting a Cricut? And also remember, I did mention I want to do some more Cricut videos. So if you have a Cricut or you're into a Cricut, let me know what type of videos that you would like to see. I'm still learning myself, but do you want like a video to kind of give you a rundown of how to use it, to take an image from like a Google image and put it onto the design space and create it to make your own? Like, let me know what kind of ideas you want to know, how I store all my vinyls, how I have my setup, my craft table. Like, let me know what you would like to see so I know what type of videos to start making when it comes to my Cricut maker. So that is everything again, you guys. Comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.